Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is the Blockchain Backer bringing you the latest cryptocurrency news and analysis. And today we're taking a look at the Ripple XRP price chart. We're also going to take a look over at the Bitcoin price chart. I hope that you guys have been having a good week. There wasn't a video yesterday. On Monday, I had explained that videos would be a little spotty this week. Normally, I do try to put out about 5 to 7 videos per week. This week, it is going to be less. I'm going to do my best to try to get some stuff out there, but we just have a lot going on in our world and our family this week with, the summer's wrapping up for the kids. And then today, the BC Barker, my dog, did get dropped off at the hospital for his second surgery. So he's there right now. We're hoping everything goes well with that. Otherwise, it's just going to be a busy week for us. So I hope you guys can understand, but things will get resuming back to normal next week. But either way, let's talk about what happened with the price action in the last 48 hours, right? So yesterday, XRP had butted its head up against the top of this range. So like we were talking about, that we would need to see a breakout in the range before we can start saying that, hey, this thing's really getting going. Well, we went up and we just slammed into it, and unfortunately, we got knocked back. So, what do I think is going on here? I've spent this morning looking at this chart. I've spent this morning looking at the Bitcoin chart, and now I'll tell you what I think. I think we're probably still consolidating for a while. So, let me explain why. So, we can take a look at this structure. We've talked about this many times, right? This is over a year-long structure here on the Ripple XRP price chart. We were expecting exactly this. We were expecting the rise up. All of my accumulation or my final accumulations were done right down here between 19 and 17 and a half cents. When we look back on this structure, which is from prior to the 2017 bull run for XRP, it's pretty much exactly the same structure. And well, this would be the equivalent of 17 and a half to 19 cents right down here. And then of course we fire up on out of here. This is the 2017 chart. And well, here we are pretending like we're right here. If you look right back over here, you can see that we're just consolidating in here, just like we did in 2017. As you can see, it spent quite a while coiling up tight, reducing the volatility and just getting tighter and tighter before really breaking out and going on an absolute moonshot. So what else gives me the reason to believe that this could actually consolidate even further? Let's head back over to Bitcoin and take a look at this chart too. So nothing is broken here, right? I mean, we could put a parallel channel on here. We could see that everything is pretty much a higher high followed by a higher low. So it's just grinding to the upside, right? Nothing looks out of ordinary here. Things look just fine. We do know that there's a gap down here around $9,500. I wouldn't be surprised if that does get filled, but it's possible it doesn't. But I wouldn't be surprised if it did. If this gap does end up getting filled, I will treat that as an accumulation opportunity on the altcoins. Probably not on Bitcoin, but on the altcoins, I would treat that as an accumulation opportunity because typically the alts fall when Bitcoin does. But let's pretend that's not going to happen, right? Let's just pretend my accumulation opportunities are over. I've got my bags. It's whatever. We're just going to keep going to the upside. Well, you can take a look at this thing. And does this look familiar to you at all? Yeah, it sure does to me. I'll show you where it looks familiar to me. Right here, not too long ago. You could just see these are exactly identical to the same what happened here with this consolidation pattern. You could look right here. You could just see it breaks up, it has a little bit of a higher dip, and then it pulls back, right? It breaks up, a little bit of a dip, and then pulls back. And then what happens here? You get this kind of little grinding, and then you set a new little high. You get this little grinding, and then you set a new little high. And then what came after that? Well, long consolidation without ever taking out this low. So that would be this low right here with longer consolidation. So that matches up, right? Here we are having the exact same structure as we just had a couple of months ago, kind of expecting some consolidation over here on XRP, just like we did back here. So consolidation seems like the most logical thing to me. Once again, if XRP does break above this level right here, does break above, 32.75, 33 cents, then I would expect that we're going to play catch up to the total altcoin market cap, which takes us up to about 55.5 to 60 cents. But I can't call for anything like that or say that until that, at least that level is taken out, until that 33-cent level is taken out. Otherwise, it's just going to be coiling and coiling and coiling. But I'm okay with that, right? Because when we look back at 2017, we see how this thing played out after these moments. It just started rampaging and going wild. I am expecting the same thing to be occurring here. So either way, if it has to to take itself another month of getting really tight to get that good foundation set in order for it to lift off, so be it. But judging by the fact that this is looking pretty much identical to way over here, and that all of this is matching up to what we did in 2017, right in here, everything looks gravy to me. So we'll do what we do best as XRP holders and just patiently wait. But all right, guys, I thought I would just give you a little bit of an update because I wasn't here yesterday. Again, it is a super busy week for me. I want to thank you guys so much for watching my channel. If you could, please like this video and give it a thumbs up. Check out the link in the description of this video to Unstoppable Domains, which is a founding member of Ripple's Open Payments Coalition and a partner of Coinbase, where you can use the Coinbase wallet to send cryptocurrencies such as XRP, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum to .crypto domains such as mine, which is bcbacker.crypto. But once again, thanks for watching. As always, this is not investment advice and I am not a financial advisor. But if you ever need a pick-me-up or a little bit of reassurance, just remember that the blockchain backers got your back. Have a good one.